the front door. Dude, you got one. That's crazy.
I didn't know I could catch a fish when they're a little bit close.
Yeah, that was so close, huh? You had a good spot, huh?
Yeah, I have a good spot.
Just leave him in the water there. Want Daddy come get him? You just literally put the bob right there. Not a fish. He said he's gonna get a fish. Funny guy. You got one, huh? That was cool.
Yeah, I didn't know I could catch a fish right there.
You know now,
Ask
huh?
Mommy.
That's a good spot, huh?
Yeah.
You got a good spot? How can you know all the good spots? Who teach you?
People.
Huh?
The good people.
Oh, the good people, yeah.
Who's good people?
Want me to take them off?
Yeah.
So- You get a new one?